Today, I'll walk you through how to create a link to another tab in your report using bookmarks, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate between tabs seamlessly, so you can enhance your reports and make them more interactive. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Your dashboard is like a canvas, ready for you to paint your insights. Next, click the tab you want to work on. This is the starting point for creating your bookmark. Think of it as choosing your starting line in a race. Now look for the View option in your tab. Click on it to reveal more options. This is where we'll access the Bookmarks feature. It's like opening a toolbox to find the right tool for your project. Once you're in the View menu, click on Bookmarks. This will allow you to manage your bookmarks effectively, just like organizing your files for easy access. Now click Add Bookmark. This saves the current view of your report as a bookmark. Imagine it as taking a snapshot of a moment you want to revisit later. Next, navigate to another tab. This is the destination where you want your link to take you. Think of it as setting a new waypoint on your journey. At the top of the bar, click Insert. This is where you can add elements to your report, like adding ingredients to a recipe. Now choose the elements you want to include. This could be an image or a shape that will serve as your link. It's similar to selecting the perfect toppings for your pizza. After that, click on Image, then Style, and browse for the image you want to use. This step is crucial as it gives your link a visual appeal, just like choosing the right color for your artwork. Next, open the Toggle action. This is where we set up the action for the element you just added. It's like programming a remote control to perform a specific task. In the drop-down menu, under Action Type, choose Bookmark. This tells Power BI that you want to link to a specific bookmark. Think of it as setting a destination for your GPS. Now click on Bookmark and select the page you want to navigate to. This is where you define the exact location your link will take you, like marking a spot on a treasure map. Finally, hold down the Control key and click the element you chose. This action finalizes your link, making it interactive, similar to pressing the Start button on a new gadget. And there you have it. You've successfully created a link to another tab in your report using bookmarks. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still guide you through the process. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.